there's an area of cryptocurrency that is on a little bit of a hot seat right now. It's gotten quite a bit of pushback for several years, and there are regulations that are trying to be put in place to ban it completely. There are countries that have outlawed it, and it definitely is unfortunate because it's something that is needed in cryptocurrency at this time. What I'm talking about is crypto mining. Now, Bitcoin is obviously the largest proof of work chain. Okay, there are still proof of work networks that are out there. Even though most new chains are launching as proof of stake network to help obviously with energy consumption, electrical grids, carbon neutrality, things like that. These proof of work networks still do exist, and they don't appear to be going away anytime soon. Now, while there have been, countries and states that have been pushing back on crypto mining, Montana is in fact going the opposite direction. In fact, they actually proposed a law, and this law passed through the Senate of Montana at a vote of 37-13, and now it's going to the House for approval. Now, this bill actually did several different things. In fact, it protected at-home mining, prevents discriminatory utility rates for miners, and stipulates that crypto used as payment will not be subject to additional taxes. Now, what it also did is it actually took power away from the local governments in this regard, preventing them from moving against at-home mining or retroactively using zoning laws to shut down active operations. Now, what is interesting is that this law actually might upend a law that was put in place back in 2020. And this was a Missouri County zoning ordinance that required all Bitcoin miners to buy or build renewable energy assets equivalent to their energy consumption. So again, they're going the completely opposite direction. And in fact, this is probably a smart thing to do. If anything, this could bring a lot of jobs to Montana. Okay. It's going to essentially become a crypto safe haven, a mining safe haven. You might see the population for Montana rise. You might see new infrastructure put in place to help support this movement. Blockchain isn't going away anytime soon, and in fact, it is growing. And crypto mining is growing in popularity despite most chains launching now with proof of stake networks. Now, this is definitely something to monitor. We'll obviously see if this does pass through the House as well. This was almost a landslide vote. I mean, they passed with almost 3-1 votes, which is quite impressive. It does show that there is great direction that's found by the state right now, and it'll be interesting to see when this does go into effect. So I appreciate you guys as always. Definitely show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.